Hello, welcome back guys. It's speaking practice video with 208 questions. I hope today you will enjoy it and learn a lot with us. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please make sure you have subscribed before getting into the video. Now let's begin. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing next week? What are you doing tonight? What kind of food do you want? What kind of meal do you want? What kind of breakfast do you want? What kind of lunch do you want? What kind of dinner do you want? Are you busy this afternoon? Are you free this afternoon? Are you available this afternoon? Are you doing anything this afternoon? Are you doing anything this afternoon? Are you kidding? Are you joking? Are you serious? Are you for real? Are you going tonight? Are you going tomorrow? Are you going day after tomorrow? Are you going today? Are you going later? Are you here on vacation? Are you here on business? Are you here on holiday? Are you here on tour? Are you here on duty? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? What's the problem with that? What's the matter with that? What's so bad with that? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? How can I help you? What do you need? What do you want? Do you have to get up early? Do you have to arise early? Do you have to wake up early? Do you have get out of bed early? Are you free Saturday afternoon? Are you available Saturday afternoon? Are you around Saturday afternoon? Are you busy Saturday afternoon? Can you turn it tomorrow? Can you turn it next week? Can you turn it later? Can you turn it now? What time will you be back by? What time will you be back by? What time will you return? What time will you come back? What time will you be in? What's wrong with him? What's the matter with him? What's the problem with him? What's bothering him? What did you place the order? What did you make the order? What did you call in the order? What did you reserve the order? Do you speak Chinese? Do you speak English? Can you tell me how get there? Can you show me how get there? Can you help me get there? Can you point out to me how get there? Do you think it will rain today? Do you think it will rain tomorrow? Do you think it will rain tonight? Do you think it will rain this afternoon? Is this your house? Is this your apartment? Is this your residence? Is this your property? Is Dr. Kolb in? Is Dr. Kolb available? Is Dr. Kolb here? Is Dr. Kolb around? Is it an emergency? Is it urgent? Is it serious? Is it critical? Were there any difficulties for you? Were there any problems for you? Were there any complications for you? Were there any obstacles for you? Do you even have an excuse? Do you even have a reason? Do you even have a reason? Do you even have an explanation? Did you have a dog when you were growing? Did you have a dog when you were growing? Did you have a dog when you were little? Did you have a dog when you were small? Did you have a dog when you were a child? Do you think we will play against? Do you think we will compete against? Do you think we will go against? Do you think we will contend against? Do you know why he is sick? Do you know why he is sick? Do you know why he is ill? Do you know why he is not well? Do you know why he is unhealthy? Did you see the newspaper today? Did you hear the radio today? Did you see the news today? Did you see the TV today? Anyone up for a drink? Anyone want a drink? Anyone interested in a drink? Anyone ready for a drink? How many more words are there left to count? How many more words are there left to count? How many more bottles are there left to count? How many more bottles are there left to count? How many more entries are there left to count? How many more tickets are there left to count? Have you put everything in the car? Have you put everything in the van? Have you put everything in the truck? Have you put everything in the bus? Have you finished your homework? Have you finished your studying? Have you finished your lessons? Have you finished your schoolwork? Did you get this dinner invitation from the company? Did you get this dinner invitation from the company? Did you get this letter from the company? Did you get this movie ticket from the company? Did you get this announcement from the company? Are you sure you want to turn down a company invitation? Are you sure you want to reject a company invitation? Are you sure you want to refuse company invitation? Are you sure you want to decline a company invitation? Did the doctor even have a guess? Did the doctor even have a theory? Did the doctor even have an idea? Did the doctor even have a clue? Do you have any idea right now where we are? Do you have any idea where we are right now? Do you have any idea where we are at this time? Do you have any idea where we are at this moment? Do you have any idea where we are currently? What motive did he have? What reason did he have? What cause did he have? What incentive did he have? How long have they been dating? How long have they been dating? How long have they been together? How long have they been going out? How long have they been seeing each other? Is this a good time to speak with you? Is it alright to speak with you? Can I speak with you? Do you mind if I speak with you? Are you going back to college now? Are you going back to college now? Are you coming back to college now? Are you beginning college now? Are you returning to college now? Is this seat taken? Is this seat occupied? Is this seat reserved? Is this seat being used? Why didn't you say anything earlier? Why didn't you say something earlier? Why didn't you speak up earlier? Why didn't you mention this earlier? Why didn't you say so earlier? Are you finished with this newspaper? Are you finished with that newspaper? Are you done with that newspaper? Are you still using that newspaper? Are you reading that newspaper? How do you like working here so far? How do you like working here up to now? How do you like working here at the moment? How do you like working here thus far? Could you pick some up on the way back home? Could you get some on the way back home? Could you buy some on the way back home? Could you grab some on the way back home? Why do they do it like that? Why do they do it in such a manner? Why do they do it in such a fashion? Do you think schools can be run for free? Do you think schools can be run for free? Do you think school can be maintained for free? Do you think school can operate for free? Do you think school can function for free? Why don't we go later in the year? Why don't we go earlier in the year? Why don't we go sometime in the year? Why don't we go later on the year? How often does that happen in a game? How often does that occur in a game? How often does that take place in a game? How often does that come about in a game? And you believe him? And you believed him? And you trusted him? And you agreed with him? And you accepted that? And you accepted what he said? Why you are so sad, honey? Why are you so sad, honey? Why are you so glum, honey? Why are you so down, honey? Why are you so depressed, honey? Now our video is about to finish. We have completed 208 questions in this video. I hope you have liked this video and subscribed our channel if you haven't. So please do it. Now see you in next video. Bye bye.